Folks, here we have a beautiful Canary diamond. Pear shape, 100% natural, VS quality. Look at the beauty of this gemstone. Exquisite. Very, 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 very fine diamond. And as I said, 100% natural diamond. My price for this beauty, $99. Jewelry store, charge you maybe $300, $400 for it. My wholesale cost would be higher than the $99 today. Diamonds have gone up 40% within the last year. So grab this beauty, VS quality, fantastic gemstone for the $99. I'm Google verified. You can buy with confidence. You got questions? I got answers. Give me a call or email me. Thank you.